Each development comes with its amenities, and this is the basketball court, netball court, and it is right outside of Chester Creek. So I'm here, guys, today just to give you another drone update on this development. The last video we did here, we told you that units were still available for sale and they gave you the application window. But today we're just going to give you a flyover so that you can see the progress that has been made at this development. So without any further delay, I'm going to fly the drone right now so you guys can see what has taken place since the last time we have been here. From the outside driving on the street, I can see a lot of new structures going up. So therefore, we know that a lot of work has taken place. What I'm going to show you so you can see it for yourselves, and then we'll have a quick chat after we land the drone. For those who have made their purchase, I hope you were able to identify your unit. I hope you love the view that you just got from that drone shot. The development is looking very lovely. As you can see that the work is going on here at Chester Creek. And the colors on this development, they just pop in a different kind of way. All right? But guys, we are back on track with our videos. We had to take a break for various reasons. But right now we are trying to get back our views to where they are. So I'm helping you by giving you guys the updates. I'm helping you by giving you guys a view of the development. So you can help me by sharing this video. You can help me by subscribing if you have not yet done so. Continue to like the videos. Continue to leave your comments. And guess what? In that way, we will grow together. So as soon as there are more updates for Chester Creek, I will definitely give you guys that information. Once units are going out for sale, I'll also provide you with that information ahead of time. But like I always say, if you are looking for a property to purchase, there are certain documents that you need to have at your fingertips. One of those is your eligibility letter. So if you're actively looking for a property to purchase, you need to have your eligibility letter ready so that when it's time to make a purchase or to put in an offer, you don't have to be running to the bank or to your financial institution to get that done. You should have your IDs on hand, your TRN on hand, and have your letter on hand. So guys, this is Chris, and we are on the outside of Chester Creek. Thank you for continuing to supporting this channel. I'll continue to give you guys the drone updates. And whenever I can give you a walkthrough, I'll definitely do that for you. So it's bless up yourself from Chris. Peace out all the time. More love, more support, more blessings. And this is Chris signing out from Chester Creek. And I'll catch you guys in another video.